Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about prime and composite numbers. What is a prime number? Let's learn. A prime number, actually we say that it is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself only. That is a prime number. In another way, we can also say a number which has only two factors. Which has only two factors, 1 and itself, is a prime number. Is a prime number. When we talk about has two factors, then there the confusion of finding what is the smallest prime number will not be there. Why? Because some people, when are asked to find out the prime numbers, they say 1 is the smallest prime number. No, 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only one factor. Only one factor. And that is why, according to the definition, it is not a prime number. So what can be the smallest prime number? That is 2, because 2 can be written as 1 into 2. So we say that 2 is the prime number, and also we say that 2 is the smallest prime number. This is a very important question. Sometimes it is asked in MCQs also. What is the smallest prime number? This is the smallest prime number, that is 2. Another prime numbers, what we can have? The prime numbers, if we make a list of prime numbers, we will find 2 is the first one, then comes 3, then 5, then 7. Somebody will say 9. No, 9 is not a prime number because it is 3 into 3 into 1. So it comes 11, then 13, 15 will not come, then 17, then 19, and so on. We can find out the prime numbers. So these are called the prime numbers, and they have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, and also we can say they are divisible by 1 and itself only. Now let's learn about the composite numbers. What is a composite number? Since we have already learnt about the prime number, that prime number has only two factors, we can say if some composite number, some number has more than one prime factors, then it is a composite number. So we say a number which has two or more prime factors. We can say them prime factors, means the prime factors are prime numbers, is a composite number. Is a composite number. For example, like see, suppose 4 I write. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. It means there are two prime factors. There are two prime factors. Two prime factors. And that is why it is a composite number. Let's say 6. This is 2 into 3. It also has two prime factors. Let's take 8. 2 into 2 into 2. This has 3 prime factors. Now, in other way, some people get confused. Somewhere it is written that if it has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors means what? What is the meaning of that? Actually, some people say that 4 can be written as 1 into 2 into 2. then they are more than 2 factors, because 1 is also taken as a factor in that case. So we say yes, if we consider 1 also, if 1 is also taken as a factor, then it can be said that a composite number has more than 2 factors. Now we are not using the word prime factors. If it is prime factor, then it is 2 or more. But if we say any 2 factors, then it is 2 more than 2 factors, because 1 is also taken. Like I have shown you, 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2. Let's take some more examples of the composite numbers. Composite numbers can be factorized in the form of prime factors. Let's see, suppose we take 20. What are the factors of 20? To find the factors, I told you earlier also, the system is we can also find it by division method. Smallest first, 2, 10, then again 2, then 5. And we can write 20 is 2 into 2 into 5, and all are prime factors. We can also take a greater number. Suppose we take 396. We want to find out the prime factors of 396. Then 396 can be taken as 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16. Then again 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18. Then it is not divisible by 2, so we can say 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, again 3, 11. So we can say then the factors of prime factors of this are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. 2 to ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36, 36 into 11 is 396. Likewise, we can convert any of the composite number into a prime factors. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comments, put them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.